welcome back to Free Friday. Today we're going to be doing this thing they call the pedal point. Let me fix this ferret. There we go. What's the pedal point? Right here. Something like that. I can't believe I haven't made a video on this yet. I had to actually YouTube search myself in pedal point. I'm sure I've mentioned it, but here's the video. So you can do this with any scale in the world. Today we're going to use it with the minor pentatonic, the 5-note scale. If you haven't checked out my videos on the minor pentatonic, they are linked below. While I'm talking about things that are linked below, subscribe now. Why? Hundreds, like hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of free harmonica lessons. Free. Every single Friday, and this is just another one. Pedal point. So here's our scale. 2 draw, 3 half-step bend, 4 blow, 4 draw, 5 draw, 6 blow. Check it out, ready? I'm using a C harp in the key of G minor. Petty music backing track. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hit the first note and the second note of the scale and the first note. I don't have to hit the first one twice. I could go, right? Then I'm gonna hit the first one and then the third one. First I hit the second, now I'm gonna hit the third. Let's start with the first one again. Then, and then the third. Fourth. Just like that. So what it's doing is it's teaching me every note of where the scale is, and it's also helping me to jump around a little bit. So everything's not always in sequence. It's not, with the pedal point, it teaches me how to leap to different areas, get good at hitting holes right on the money. And I can do this anywhere on the harp. I don't have to start on 2 draw. I could start on the second note, go up to the third one, go back to the second, then go up to the fourth one, go back to the second. Just like that. Yeah. Could start on hole 1. Just got to know your scale. So I could start on hole 1. Start on 1 draw. Ready? Start on 4 draw. I like this little tapping. I got that from like Hammond players, and I think the guitar players got it from the Hammond players, but it goes like. Right, so that's just what I would call a 1-note pedal point. So the pedal is the notes you're going to, the point is the note that you're on. And again, it can be any scale, could be the blues scale. go down too, right? I could go. So now I'm getting into a two-note pedal point. I'm doing something, and then I'm repeating that something, hitting the next note in the scale, hitting the next note in the scale. Just like that. Up and down. Now I could put two notes together, two draw, two bend, two draw, and then pedal point off that. Call that a two-note pedal point. Kind of like what I was doing before, but a little different. Sounds pretty cool. Up and down. Blues. I'll be back. Gotta teach a lesson. Yay! We're back with a different groove. Okay. So, same scale, different groove. I can time it with the changes. Now I'm just getting a little more free with it, okay? But I can also do it with a different scale. I can do it with the major pentatonic. Even arpeggios. Even a lick. There's a lick. I could go. So I'm taking the lick and just pedal pointing the lick. Shit like that. credits. Everybody for tuning in to Free Fridays right here on YouTube. Subscribe today. Click the subscribe button for hundreds of free harmonica lessons. If you like what I'm putting down and you'd like to support the cause, go the extra mile, be sure to visit my Patreon page. Patreon patrons, thank you very much. You're making these lessons an absolute priority in my life, no matter how busy I get. A free lesson happens every Friday. For as low as $1 a month, that's 25 cents a lesson, you can become a Patreon patron. If you're doing a little better and you can donate more, that's great. Every time you become a Patreon patron, you're helping somebody else out there that doesn't have a credit card, that doesn't have $1 a month, to continue to get free harmonica instruction and much, much more. Remember, we got product reviews here on this channel. We do videos on addiction and bipolar disorder. We got blues stories. We got performance videos and everything right here on Jason Ricci's YouTube. Subscribe today. I'd like to thank Hohner Harmonicas, and I'd like to thank Blue Moon Harmonicas, making custom parts for any harmonica that you might have at home. Blue Moon has got you. The Lone Wolf Blues Company, pedals, amplifiers, microphones, you name it, much more. Right here out of Louisiana, the Lone Wolf Blues Company is bringing you the best in customer service for almost any kind of amplified blues harmonica needs that you may have. Speaking of amplifiers, Harp gear amplifiers, check them out. The very best Harp gear, right out of Ocala, Florida. I got a website, www.mooncat.org. Check me out on mooncat.org. I got tour dates happening all over the place. I'm going all over the country this year, playing tour dates with J.J. Appleton, with Damon Fowler, with J.P. Soares, with my own band, with Joe Crown, all kinds of people. www.mooncat.org. T-shirts, lesson information, all of that. Thank you guys so very much for tuning in. We do this every single Friday, and then every now and then I throw you some more stuff right here at Jason Ricci's YouTube. A Mooncat, love and appreciate all y'all. Thank you.